Hi, it's Jen with Cherry Tree Beads, and today we're going to make a moon and bonefish chain necklace. So these are the new moon pendants that came in. This is amethyst, and we have several other different stones available online, but this one is amethyst, and I'm going to pair it with this stainless bonefish chain. So the first thing that I'm going to want to do is I'm going to want to cut off this veil that's on here. So I'm just going to take my cutters and get in there at the bottom and just cut that right off. And then I'm going to take my pliers and I'm going to hold the 4mm jump ring on one side, and I'm going to take the pair of pliers on the other side, and I'm just going to gently open that a little bit wider. And then we're going to want to attach the bonefish chain on one side, and then we're going to want to attach the pendant. And then we're going to put the pliers on either side and gently twist that back into place. I went ahead and cut the chain, and I wanted my necklace to be about 16 inches, so these are 8-inch lengths of the bonefish chain. But you can make it however long or short you would like it. And then I'm going to take another 4mm jump ring and hold it on either side with a pair of pliers and just gently twist that open a little bit wider. And the chain is a little tricky the way that it goes, so I've been finding that attaching the chain to your jump ring first and then attaching the pendant is much easier. So then I'm going to put the pair of pliers back on the side and twist it back into place. Now I want to attach my toggle clasp at the top. So I'm going to do that using a 4mm jump ring. So we're just going to hold that with one plier and the other, and then gently twist it a little bit further open. Then we're going to put one side of the toggle and then we're going to put one side of the plier on either side of the jump ring, and then just gently twist it back so that it lines up. And then we're going to do the same thing on the other side. Just going to open this up a little bit wider. Attach the bar side of the toggle and the chain. This side of the chain where it's cut off is a lot easier to work with, so it doesn't matter if you do the toggle first or the chain. And you're just going to gently twist that back into place. And then your necklace is complete. Thanks so much for watching, and all the supplies can be found at cherrytreebeads.com.